Good morning, students. Welcome to my class of Standard 9th, subject Mathematics Part 2, Chapter 9, Mensuration. Today we are going to start practice set 9.3. It is related to sphere. Sphere example is ball. You can see a ball. This is an example of sphere. Or sweet line. Sweet line you might be knowing, Mosambik. That is also example of sphere. Now in a sphere we have four circles. Okay, in a sphere we have four circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four circles we have in a sphere. That is why the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Why 4 pi r square? You know, because there are four circles in a sphere. So total surface area and surface area, curved surface, is same. So that is why we say only surface area of a sphere. We call it only surface area because there is no total, there is no curved in this. Only surface area is told. So surface area is same. Okay, 4 pi r square. For hemisphere means half sphere. Okay, half sphere. So surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Half कर दिया. Okay, and in hemisphere you have total surface area. Total surface area we have. So total surface area is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. That is 3 pi r square. For hemisphere we have total surface area, that is 3 pi r square. Because when you will cut the sphere, you will get half, that is 2 pi r square. And on top of that, one circle is there. When you will cut Mosambik, example Mosambik, when you will cut it, okay, on that that part which is cut, you can see the round shape, that is pi r square. So half 2 pi r square plus pi r square, you get 3 pi r square. Okay, so only for a sphere, surface area, there is no curved surface, there is no total surface. Only surface area is 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere. Okay, and volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So keep in mind, okay, volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. And formula for the sphere is only one. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere ka we have surface area is 2 pi r square, and total surface area is 3 pi r square. So this formula you should know. If you know this formula, 9.3 exercise will be very easy for you. Okay, now come to practice set 9.3. 9.3 first sum. Okay, find the surface area and volume of a sphere of the following radii. Radius, first one is given 4 centimeter. There are total 3 sub question in this. 3 sub question, only one I will solve it for you. Okay, remaining 2 you have to solve by yourself because it is very easy. I will show you this sum. Okay, radius of sphere is 4 centimeter, and you want surface area of sphere. Now, surface area of a sphere. You know surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. As I told you, 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value is given 3.14, r means 4 square. Okay, 4 square is 16, you know very well. 4 into 3.14 into 16, all you will multiply. Okay, when you will multiply all, you will get 200.96 cubic centimeter. The surface area of a sphere formula only you should know. Put the value and multiply, you will get the answer. Then you want volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere formula is, you know, 4/3 pi r cube. Very simple formula, but calculation you have to do it properly. 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi value, you know, 3.14, r cube means 4 cube. Okay, 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times you will multiply. 4 cube is 64. Okay, 4/3 into 3.14 into 64. All you will multiply and you will divide by 3. First multiply this all. Okay, this 3 and then divide by 3. Okay, you will get the answer 267.95. 267.95 cubic centimeter. Okay, so for all the 3 sums, there are 2 more sums. Okay, whose radius is 9 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So 2 more sum is same like this. You have to use the formula. Okay, surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, volume of a sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, pi r cube means 4 का cube किया, side is radius is 4 का cube किया तो you will get 64. All 3 you will multiply, all these 3 you will multiply and then divide by 3. You will get the answer. This is the first one. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to the second sum of practice set 9.3. In second sum, radius of solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Radius of solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Hemisphere, it is a half sphere. Okay, find its curved surface area and total surface area. अभी इसका curved surface area we want and total surface area we want. Okay, now curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, curved surface area of hemisphere. इसमें curved surface आएगा hemisphere में. Curved surface area you know 2 pi r square, and total surface is 3 pi r square as I told you. Okay, in hemisphere, sphere में तो एक ही रहता है. In sphere, curved and total is same only 4 pi r square. Okay, so curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Pi value is given 3.14, r is 5 pi square. 2 into 3.14 into 25. Okay, all you will multiply, you will get the answer 157 square centimeter. Why square centimeter? Because it is area. हमको area है इसके लिए, that is why it is square centimeter. Also total surface area of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. 3 multiplied by pi value is 3.14 into 5 square. 3 multiplied by 3.14 into 25. If you will multiply all, okay, you will get the answer 235.5 square centimeter. 235.50 also you can write here. Okay, it's okay if you will not write 0 as I told you. So this is the answer for second one. Okay, for hemisphere, keep in mind hemisphere के लिए you have curved surface 2 pi r square and total surface 3 pi r square for hemisphere. Keep in mind. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3. Surface area of a sphere is 2826. Surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeter square. Surface area in sphere, you know, there is no curved surface, no total, only surface area. 2826. Find its volume. Pi is given 3.14. So surface area formula is, you know, 4 pi r square is equal to 2826. Pi value is 3.14 into r square is equal to 2826. Okay, therefore r square is equal to 2826 upon 4 into 3.14. Therefore, okay, so here first of all we have to remove the decimal point. You will multiply by 100. Here also you will multiply by 100. Okay, for removing the decimal point you will multiply by 100. You will get 282600 upon 4 into 314. Now cancellation. In the table of 314, if you will take the table, you will get 9za. Okay, 900 you will get. 314, 9za is 2826. 314 9za. Okay, and if you will divide this by 4, you will get 225. So r square you got 225, and therefore r is equal to 15 centimeter. R is 15 centimeter. Okay, after getting r, then we can find the volume of a sphere. Now volume of a sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi value you know 3.14. R cube means 15 cube. 15 cube. Okay. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3375. 15 cube. Now you will multiply this all and divide by 3. If you will divide by 3, after multiplying you will get 14130. 14130 cubic centimeter, because it is volume. 14130 cubic centimeter. So first of all you have to find r with the help of this surface area formula. R you will get. After getting r, then you will use the formula of sphere. Sphere के लिए खाली दो ही formula है. One is surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, and one is volume of a sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Okay, now come to sum number 4. Find the surface area of a sphere if its volume is 38808 cubic centimeter. So volume of a sphere is 38808 cubic centimeter. Now volume is given and you have to find out the surface area. Okay, so volume formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, that is equal to 38808. Pi value here it is given 22 upon 7. Pi value is given. So 4 upon 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r cube is equal to 38808. Therefore, okay, now this down number will come up, denominator number will come up, and this numerator number will come down. So r cube is equal to 38808 into 3 into 7 upon 4 into 22. Okay, now cancellation. अब इसको cancellation करने का, तो if you divide by 22 you will get 1764. इसको divide करेंगे तो divide by 22 करेंगे, you will get 1764, and if you divide this by 4 you will get 441. So 441 into 21, 7 3s are 21. So r cube is equal to 21 into 21 into 21. 21 into 21 is 441, and therefore you will get r is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, taking cube root, if you will take 21 into 21 into 21, उसके बदले एक ही सिलेक्ट होएगा, that is r. R you got it 21. Okay, now after getting this, we want surface area of a sphere. Now surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. All you have to multiply. Okay? All you have to multiply this all. When you multiply all this thing, you will get 5544. 5544 square centimeter. Okay? Now in this sum, fourth one, volume formula you have to use, and then you have to use surface area formula. In the previous sum, you have to use surface area formula, and then you have to find out r, and then afterward you have to find out volume. Okay? Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 5. This is the last sum of this practice set. Sum number 5, volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, volume of a hemisphere is given. Hemisphere, half sphere. So volume of hemisphere, you know, 2 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 18,000 pi, okay, cubic centimeter. So here you can see both the side we have pi. So pi and pi will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Okay, you will get 2 upon 3 into r cube is equal to 18,000. So now 2 upon 3 will go there. It will be reciprocal. R cube is equal to 18,000 into 3 upon 2. Okay, this will go there. It will be reciprocal. As you know, cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 9,000. 3 nines are 27, 27,000. R cube is 27,000, and therefore R is equal to 27 ka cube root is 3, and from this 30 you will select 10, that is 30. 10 only, it will become 30 centimeter. इसका cube root. Taking cube root, 27 का cube root आता है 3, and out of this 30 you will select 10. Okay, R you got 30 degree, but we want diameter. Find its diameter. Okay, therefore its diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is 2 into radius, matlab 2 into 30, that is 60 centimeter. So very easy sum it is. Okay, diameter you want, not curved surface area, not total surface area, only diameter you want. With the help of volume formula, you will get R. Okay, you will get R. After getting R, the diameter you want, that is 2 into 30, 60 centimeter. So here we have completed the exercise, we have completed the chapter by doing each and every sum of the exercise. We have done problem set, some very limited sums are there that you have to do it by yourself. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.